Traditional SaaS companies just had compute as mainly their COGS, and you could generally say you have an 80 to 85% gross margin. A lot of these AI companies have an LLM as kind of the back end, which tends to be pretty expensive, and it's going to impact your gross margin. So a lot of startups within the AI space are typically ranging from like 60 to 80% gross margin because of that. Now, I think the distinction here is with LLMs, it really comes down to kind of the business model and kind of the product that you're developing. If you're orienting yourself towards more complex tool that needs larger amounts of compute or consumption of tokens, that's going to become more expensive. Whereas if you're kind of doing more of a traditional kind of, let's just say OpenAI style kind of prompting style business, not as complex, it's going to be significantly cheaper. So one of those factors in this whole gross margin conversation is the style of business and how heavy your compute requirements are. So like a Midjourney or someone that's producing like podcast content, that type of thing, it can be pretty complex, like video stuff. Whereas if I'm just prompting it and needs some like excerpt out of a law thing, it's not as heavy on the compute side.